Hi, this is Paul with Budget Blinds of Federal Way, and I'm out here at a beautiful home on Star Lake in North Federal Way. And the customer had this little exercise area here. Great view, but he didn't want to have that window be exposed at all times while he was working out. So we did a motorized shade. As you can see, so I come around here, pretty challenging install. We even had to use our fancy little ladder aid that allows you to essentially set up a ladder on the stairs. But the end result is a Pro Design roller shade, super quiet. Battery operation is lithium ion, so it's rechargeable. This should last the customer anywhere from 6 months to a year on one charge, depending on how often he's running it up and down. And really fits the style of his home. And as you can see, makes this area totally private. If that's something that would interest you, give us a call.